Welcome to Driveway TV. Don't forget to smash that like button.
So on today's episode we're doing some test footage with our new GoPro Hero 6
Black edition. And
we're going to Costa del Skeg to try it out.
Yeah, we'll see you along the way probably.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool.
Tell me there's a castle at the seaside. Real castle.
Oh, we've got the Savoy.
Yes, mate. Some France. That's a hand car wash for the horses. Go on.
Now what's he gonna do?
Is he gonna try it?
Go on.
Or is he gonna put his park anywhere lights on? Yeah, now we're not gonna go anywhere. Oh, can we get some G-Star Raw jeans from here for £20?
Yeah, totally legitimate. Everything here is legitimate.
Is legit. Ray-Bans, £5, legit. Oh, that was the front.
Yep.
That's alright, it's enough room.
No, it's actually quite big, isn't it? As you can tell, we're of a changed vehicle now. We're in a HGV.
What are you doing? Going head on?
Yeah, because you apply it directly to the forehead.
Head on. Apply directly to the forehead.
And now we're in Skegness, and we'll see you back in Leicester.
Yeah.
So you joined us in a nice quiet location. We're at Skegness. You can have a look at the sights of Skegness from where we're sitting. Woo! On my hand. And yeah, this is amazing. Really glad we came.
Yeah. Our first destination is McDonald's.
Which you can see just in the distance down there, hopefully. So as Matt was saying earlier in the vlog, you can get your legitimate sunglasses from here. So you join us the other side of McDonald's. It's literally the other side of McDonald's. Where we just use the restrooms because
they're trusted and they're cleaned regularly.
Now we're going to head to the infamous, probably, Skegness bit. Again, nice and quiet location.
Yeah.
Nice and quiet. So yeah. Wow, I won!
Not as quick as we thought, but he's won tickets.
Wow, look at what we actually won. Wow! Wow! For 50 pence we won
All of that.
all of this. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
That's probably like, you've won a gram of sugar.
Yeah.
I can look at that beautiful blue sea now. I can't say you spend a week here, because like, we've just done everything you do in a week. Oh, it doesn't even go into the sea. What the hell? What a
Ship here, isn't it?
What a ship here.
Look at that fresh blue sea. Yeah. Reminds you of the Mediterranean, doesn't it?
So we've pretty much smashed it, what you meant to do in a week, in just 20 minutes.
Yeah.
As you can see, we're on the pier. You can call it that, because you can go over the ocean.
Ocean? I'm not in America.
Oh yeah, sorry. So yeah, we're just gonna smash some chips because we're in Blighter, and then I think we'll fuck off.
Yeah.
And this will probably conclude our delicious day at Costa del Skeg.
Oh, we've got to show this one.
Sorry, I said yeah, probably. Day. Yeah. Anyway, we got interrupted.
Rude.
I said we'll smash some chips because we're in Blighter, and then conclude it.
Okay.
You'll hear that twice, and the internet will back me up.
Okay.
In a biz.
We'll see you in editing.
So, because we're a truck channel, a car channel, we're just going to be on a Euro Truck Simulator in the arcade.
Yeah.
Got good steering feel.
So responsive. Yeah.
That's your rival. Come on. Let's swallow Japan now. Imagine,
Yeah.
this only continues, not goes.
I never saw any of these. Oh, you're so close to your goal. Oh, we're such good guys, we're leaving that one credit for no one that's going to play this game ever. So Matt's going for the right hand one, that's a brave move.
Yeah, it's UK, innit?
Oh, it swallowed it, it's money.
Yeah!
Try kicking it. Money for days. Getting closer to, hey, profit.
We're not using that one.
So Matt's up on the day. I'm down, but that's fine.
I gambled and I didn't even know I gambled.
But yeah, so that was the beautiful, where's the sign over there? Skeggy Pier. And we are going to go head down to another amusement on the way back. Here's the McDonald's again, in case you don't see enough of it.
Let's show this mint Volvo.
Oh yeah, here's the, look at this. We want to take them round and give them a tour.
Tour?
We believe this is a rare 4x4 off-road edition.
Yeah, it's a mint Volvo. Even took the time to do the brakes and everything, but not ride high. Mint.
Probably should we try anyway, or should we try Plaza Fun?
Where are we going?
Yeah.
It's that interactive part of the video. Put in the comments where you want us to go, because we'll totally go where you told us to go.
Yes.
Even when we're recording now. That's how it works, right?
Yeah, that's exactly how it works.
That's how people on
The
YouTube.
one with the most likes will be the one that we visit.
Yeah. So if you voted to go into Empires, we'll give it a miss. How are we going in? Lucky Strikes?
Yeah. So if you voted for Lucky Strike, you win. Wasn't even an option.
A 20 pack, because they're cigarettes, right?
Yeah. Everyone wants cigarettes in this game.
Where's the pound on again?
Really?
Yeah.
So Matt is now 60 pence down. So if you voted for Matt will lose his money again, you win. So that was the beautiful amusements of the UK, where if you put a pound in any of the machines, you lose it, apart from 18-wheeler.
Yeah, well, no one uses.
Yeah, which is why it's not used as much, is it? So we're going to go get some chips from the chip shop, which is just here.
Which one?
It's just here. That one there, Tony's. So we will see you once we have purchased your chips. So this is what we get from Tony's for £5.90 for that. And then I don't know how much that is. £4.95 for that. So the Robin want an extra 5 pence for a plastic fork and 5 pence for a plastic knife. So life hack, just get the 3 wooden spoons. No spoons, forks. And then another treat. Straight after the fish and chips with some donuts and ice cream, and then Matt has some donuts over there. And some cars that you can't see just past there. Hampton Bike. Cool. So we managed to complete everything that people were doing a week or two at Skegness and Hull. You were checked in, do I want to check out, or that's why I scanned it, right?
No shizzing.
Yeah. So we came here at 1500 hours and we were checking out at 16:43. So we managed to complete the whole Skegness experience in 1 hour 43 minutes. Yes.
Base all the way home now, yeah?
Yeah.
Good news! It's a Dacia! And we're totally not caught in traffic.
Not at all. No.
We're somewhere still in Lincolnshire, I guess.
Yeah.
And according to the track now, we've got a 7-minute delay. And as you can see, we're flying. Thought we'd update since we've not really said anything since Costa del Skeg. We had some nice hard bass on when we left for that Slav look in our JDM whip, obviously.
So we're going to the pub for a cold one. There'll be a little surprise.
Maybe get one of
even be cut out. You won't even hear it.
Yeah, but we might whip one of our sausages out at the next place. Something to look forward to. Yeah, we've got some views. What guys? We're in another Mackey's.
Yeah. Can I get a large black coffee and a what?
A large what, sorry?
Black coffee.
Yeah, anything else?
And a large strawberry lemonade.
And a what?
Large strawberry lemonade thing.
We haven't got no milkshake, I'm afraid.
No,
It's not a milkshake, love.
It's the soft drink, isn't it?
It's a frappe thing. Ice.
Ice fruit smoothie, is it? You not got a
Sushi.
strawberry lemonade ice fruit smoothie thing?
The smoothies, yeah, we have those. Which one would you like?
The strawberry and something.
The lemonade one.
Lemonade?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that large?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Worst McDonald's ever. Oh, it got milkshakes. Not a milkshake, love. Oh, you got the sweet smoothies, yeah.
Can I have a strawberry lemonade? No. What's that?
You got the strawberry and lemonade one? Yeah. EDM. So yeah, authorised for the channel. Send it.
Just gonna send it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.